What if I told you that you can create stunning, Hollywood-style cinematic storyboard videos completely free using AI, without expensive software? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal a powerful AI workflow that lets anyone transform a simple idea or script into breathtaking cinematic storyboard scenes in just a few minutes. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, YouTuber, marketer, this step-by-step guide will show you how to generate consistent characters, dramatic camera angles, cinematic lighting, emotional compositions, and movie-quality scenes using free AI tools. I'll also share the exact prompts, settings, and techniques that professionals use to make their storyboards look realistic, immersive, and ready for animation or film production. The best part is that you don't need any drawing skills or paid subscriptions. Everything you'll see in this tutorial can be done using 100% free AI tools. Let's dive in and start creating cinematic magic with AI.
If you're new here, welcome to AI Agent Studio. I'm Manu, and on this channel I show you the best AI tools and how to use them in simple steps anyone can follow. If that sounds helpful, hit subscribe because this one is a perfect example. Okay, let's make an AI animation story.
Step 1. Generate a storyboard idea. First, open ChatGPT and paste the storyboard master prompt into the prompt box. If you're wondering where to find the master prompt, don't worry, you'll get it at the end of this tutorial. Once you've pasted the prompt, press enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate several storyboard ideas for you. If none of the ideas match what you're looking for, simply type "more ideas" and press enter again. ChatGPT will instantly generate a fresh set of concepts. Browse through the options and choose the one you like best. For this example, we'll select the idea: how to make crystal clear ice cubes like luxury bars. Copy the selected idea, paste it into the prompt box, and press enter. Next, ChatGPT will ask you to choose the video duration: 10 seconds, 15 seconds. For this tutorial, we'll choose 15 seconds. After that, ChatGPT will ask you to upload an avatar or character for the storyboard. Click the plus icon, select Add Photos and Files, and upload your character image. Once the image is uploaded, press enter and wait a few seconds. That's it. ChatGPT will generate a complete storyboard image prompt tailored to your selected idea and character. As you scroll down, you'll also find a ready-to-use AI video prompt, allowing you to create both storyboard images and AI videos from a single workflow. This makes the entire storyboard creation process fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. Step 2. Generate your storyboard image. Now copy the entire storyboard image prompt generated by ChatGPT. Next, open Google Gemini. You'll see an interface like this. Paste the storyboard image prompt into the prompt box. Then upload the same character image that you used while generating the storyboard prompt in ChatGPT. To upload the image, click the plus icon, select Upload Files, and choose your character image. Once the image has been uploaded, press enter. Gemini will begin generating your storyboard image. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once the generation is complete, you'll receive a detailed storyboard image. As you can see, it combines all 8 shots into a single image, with each scene clearly laid out and accompanied by its corresponding visual details. This makes it easy to review the entire sequence at a glance before moving on to video creation. Finally, click the download button to save the storyboard image to your device. With your storyboard image ready, you're all set to move on to the next step. Step 3. Generate your AI video using the storyboard image. Now it's time to turn our storyboard into a fully animated AI video. First, open Google Flow AI. You'll see an interface like this. Click New Project to get started. Next, upload the storyboard image you created in the previous step. Click the plus icon, select Upload Media, and choose your storyboard image. Wait a few seconds while the upload completes. Once the image has been uploaded, click the 3-dot menu on the image and select Add to Prompt. This adds your storyboard as the visual reference for the video generation. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the AI video prompt that was generated along with your storyboard. Return to Google Flow AI and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Next, make sure the generation mode is set to video. If it isn't, click on Nano Banana and switch the output mode to video. You may also notice additional settings such as frames and ingredients. Aspect ratio, 9:16. Perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Duration 10 seconds. Output quantity 1 video, 1 pux. Once everything is ready, press enter to start generating your video. The AI will begin processing your request, and within a few moments, your video will be ready. Let's take a look at the result. As you can see, the video quality is impressive. The textures are highly detailed, the visuals are crystal clear, and each storyboard shot transitions smoothly into the next. Best of all, the AI follows the sequence automatically, bringing every scene to life with almost no manual editing required. If you're happy with the result, simply click the download button to save the video to your device. And that's it! You've successfully transformed a simple storyboard into a professional quality AI video with just a few easy steps.
Let's make Japanese souffle pancakes. Neatly arrange the ingredients. Delicate separation is key. Whip to stiff peaks. Gently fold the meringue. Use ring molds. Flip when golden.
Now let's look at another example. Go back to ChatGPT and type or paste this prompt. Write a storyboard for a short animated story about a cute boy who starts building a career in gaming. Press enter and wait for ChatGPT to generate the storyboard. It will create a complete storyboard along with a detailed image generation prompt. Copy the storyboard prompt, then head over to Google Gemini, upload the generated image, paste the copied storyboard prompt, and click enter. After a few moments, your storyboard image will be ready. It includes every scene, camera angle, and visual detail needed for the animation. Once it's generated, download the storyboard image. Next, return to ChatGPT and copy the video generation prompt. Now open Google Flow AI, upload the storyboard image using the same steps as before. After uploading, click the 3 dots and select Add to Prompt, so the image is attached to your prompt. Paste the video prompt into the prompt box. Adjust the generation settings however you like. Since our settings are already configured, we'll simply click Enter to start the generation process. Wait a few moments while the AI processes your request. And that's it, the video is ready. Let's watch the result. Wow! You can see the character remains consistent throughout the video. The scene transitions are smooth, the camera shots are cinematic, and the overall video quality looks fantastic. Everything is generated seamlessly, making the animation look polished and professional. If you're happy with the result, simply click the download button to save the video to your device. Now it's time to show you the master prompt you need for this video. This is here, and you also get its link in the description. And that's how you can create stunning cinematic storyboard videos using AI completely free. I hope this tutorial showed you just how easy it is to turn simple ideas into professional-looking visuals without expensive software or artistic skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI filmmaking tutorials, prompt guides, and creative workflows. Let me know in the comments what kind of AI video you'd like to create next. I read every comment, and many of your suggestions become future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep creating, keep experimenting, and let AI bring your imagination to life.